Here's how to burnish or break in your Lippert brakes. If you just bought a new trailer or replaced your brakes during regular maintenance, your brakes will need to be burnished in order to work at their full potential. Here's the Lippert certified process for getting those brakes ready to work. In a nutshell, new brake pads need to be seated to the brake drum in order to get 100% contact from the pads to the drums. There's two ways you can achieve this. I'll show you both ways. Here's the standard procedure. This takes a little bit of time as you will have to apply trailer brakes upwards of 20 to 50 times. Let's get started. Hook up your trailer and hit the road. It's best to do this on a low traveled road, like a frontage road or a side street. Get to a speed of about 40 miles an hour. Make sure your trailer brake gain is set to the highest setting. You need to hit the trailer brakes only by squeezing the trigger. Don't use your vehicle brakes. It will only make the process take longer. Squeeze the trigger and let the trailer slow you down to roughly 20 miles an hour. Get back up to speed again, roughly 40 miles an hour, and repeat the process. You'll have to do this at least 20 times to complete the break-in process. To check on your brakes after this process, you'll want to pull over and visually inspect your brakes. Your brakes should be hot, and that's a good sign. You may even see smoke from your brake area, which means that the break-in process is working. The brakes should be at temps between 350 to 400 degrees. If you want to get super technical, you can hit it with the temperature gun to check the hub temps. If your brakes are not heating up, you likely have a wiring issue. This next option takes a little more skill, but it really speeds up the process too. Once again, a road less traveled will be preferred. Speed up to roughly 60 or 70 miles an hour and hit your trailer brakes. Make sure your gain is at the highest setting once again. While doing this, try to maintain your speed of 60 to 70 miles an hour. So you'll need to apply some throttle while applying your trailer brakes. Do this for roughly a half mile, making sure that your trailer brakes do not lock up during this process. Again, pull over and check the temperature of your brakes, making sure that your brakes are good and hot. Give us a call if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.